Hello guys, what is up?
My name is Sarbjit and you are watching Sarbjit Photo Editing Zone.
So guys, today in this video I will be showing you the tutorial of sky tone color grading under Lightroom. So guys, please watch the full video and like the video and subscribe and press the bell icon. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram, link in description. So guys, at first you have to import your picture on Lightroom. After that, click on the light option. Then we have to increase the exposure at around 10 to 12. After that, we have to increase the contrast at around 12 to 10. Then we have to decrease the highlight at around 12. Then shadow we have to increase a little bit up to 10. After that, white we have to increase a bit at around 10, and black we have to decrease at around 11 or 12. After that, go to the next settings and click on mix. Then we have to decrease the hue of the red tone. As you can see, at around 50. Then saturation we have to increase a little. After that, luminance we have to increase up to 10. Then go to the orange tone and decrease the hue at around -3. Saturation at around -20. You can do it as your photo is. Then we have to increase the luminance at around 10. As you can see, the saturation we have to edit a bit. Let's keep it 20. After that, go to the yellow tone, increase the hue at around 20. As you can see, let's make it, yes, 20 is better. After that, saturation we have to increase a bit. After that, luminance we have to increase a bit. As you can see, after that, go to the green tone and slide it from left to right or right to left simultaneously, so that we can find the correct grading. As you can see, it varies on picture. After that,
Done, and come back and decrease the temperature as your picture is. After that, you can increase the vibrance to 54 or 53. After the saturation, you have to decrease according to your photo. In my photo it is okay. After that, go to the split tone. After that, increase the texture. Clarity you have to increase a bit. Decrease a bit. After that, go to the sharpening.
make it just 34. As you can see, it's before and it's after. So it's showing some noise, so we'll reduce the noise. So reducing the noise at around 44 or 35 as a picture. Then increasing the color noise. Let the picture be loaded. As you can see, it's better now. So here we have completed almost.
The exposure is looking very deep, so we'll light it. Shadow will decrease a bit. It was before and this is after. So just go to the share button and save as. Save it.